you spam through all this. Especially the lag. Hey everyone, I'm Reese Gamer, and welcome back to more Dragon Quest IX. Last time we ended at the beginning of a dungeon, so why are we here? That's because we have this try your luck option, which we've had since the beginning. And I actually want to show this off right here now. And it just so happens to be involving Pop Socks. Here's the one. Items. Now, where's that one item? Oh, I'm an idiot. It was right over here. 4. And then you can go for a full-on 3 if you need to, or just go with the X. Bubbling? Yep. If you know one particular thing that you don't naturally have yet, you can make it. We can make white tights. If we had one more crimson coral, we could make red tights. Exact same. It's the exact same recipe list, but not as obvious as you would think. 4 crimson coral, which is why I said I was one short. You can also make green tights, and those involve an item we do not have yet. And a bigger thing is if we use a recipe, we go all the way somewhere. I've decided to make a lot of these other items. Here they are, white tights. If you make the recipe correctly, it'll show up on the list. Nice little twist. The white helps resist off ice and wind attacks. The red and green tights have their own kind of resistances. To get me out of that, I'd say this is a good option. The steel broadsword you can obviously make, and then there's also the white tights we just showed off. Snowy has a lot of his iron stuff advanced, as well as a steel axe. Because I went on to Gladiator just for a brief moment to invest in the skill points to max out the axe, so he's able to whip it no matter what. On top of that, I also upgrade the iron axe that I got and upgrade it to the steel axe. A lot of this stuff, like the full plate and steel equipment. Oh, yeah. Upgrade from the iron stuff. Not much difference with Yuri. Yeah. The biggest one is the golden tiara on Luz. That's really the only other thing that's not good. I think there's no better way to start off doing that. Since I did want to quickly do a little bit of that in between the episodes. Here we have a new flying little beast before we fight this kind of beast. We pick up that being another seed. And I believe that was the magic. And that can happen. Once it's spawned to the point where you would not see the dialogue to know what you got. That's happened a few times to me. Twin Dragon Lash is one of those extra strong whip powers. And with all of that, I was expecting to get at least a little item from there. We have up to 700 gold, nearly. We're just 7 off. Oh! Because already we have fought 2 new monsters, and here's a blue one. Well, we know that's magic water. Hey, I actually have more now. These are new Noctopuses? Noctopuses, yep. Come here, drop something. Come here, wing. Pointless. Hey, what do you do? Magic Beast Horn! Two magic beast items, and they're not really obvious. We can go all the way through here. We have a maze. We can fight these things again. This time we can get our revenge on these, since they were a bit on the troublesome side. And I will say, just from the steel weapons that me and Snow have, because let me go into a nice little area over here. Well done, lag. $181 attack on me. 164 on Snowy. 120 on Yuri. And Luz has 97. Oh crap, that's so big. I'd say with his attack numbers... Oh, let's go. Is it really nothing here? No, it's way here. And this gives us iron kneecaps. Hey, we just used only paying the steel ones on Snowy. I wasn't even intending on that to happen. We can come up here, which is important. If we come over here, it's just a waste of time, because we see there's nothing here. Because I knew I was thinking of something else. Thank you, Crabbit. Here's a chest. Mini medal. If they're not fully spawned, you can clip right through them. And because of that, there's this little extra area down here. I was more in a different zone when I passed by this thing. And another red chest. Ultramarine mittens. Getting more gear. And it is guaranteed since they are the red chests. Now after this, we come on over here. More Mudragers. We want to go over here since this is a dead end, so it has the liability of having another chest. Nope. Just an area where monsters can spawn. That's pathetic. Why have no chest there in the first place then? And we go further in. And if you can barely we can just barely not engage in the battle. Ooh, or just over here. So it looks like we have to go over through the other way. Seed of Agility. Oh! Good. This way has nothing, yep. Well, that just sucks. As we go forward, over this way instead. I don't think I've ever had monsters spawn, just miraculously spawn going forward. We can also come over here. This one's a bit more mixy, but we see there's a nice little open area around the way. Another new monster. This gives us strong antidote. Not guaranteed. Oh. Let's fight the team monster over here. Salamanders. So I'm guessing if we don't destroy them, they're gonna move that up. Too late. I got there 17, nice. 4 more skill points that I don't know what to invest in. I really don't know. This is just a nice little dead end. And hello, goodbye man of war. Oh, how did I do that? Total oil or mini metal? Okay. New monster. Now these guys kind of suck. For something that's involved a little later. More toads. Such powerful. Because we are so powerful. Because with alchemy, you can basically like give yourself, if you know the recipes, you can kind of make weapons that are a bit more stronger than your average Joe at this point in the game. Red's chest up there. Or if we come up here. Well, this thing will spawn. 1,500 gold. Ooh, that's definitely worth it. So apparently we were at 1,200 prior to opening the chest. As we run. Camera. Oh, no. Good, I thought I was going to have to go through the Karma Chameleon. Not a real monster. We can come over here. There's this long pathway over here that we... Okay, so it's not involving that too. Nice big red chest here. So what's inside it? A mini-map. And of course, after something like that, I think it's a good time to try and make some progress going forward now. And by being screwed by a mortar toad. Now we go over here. We've basically been absolutely everywhere with this. We just haven't been over on this segment. Oh yeah, we did. I picked up that chest, didn't I? Not too much impressive on this end. Except you can get trapped by those things. Maneuver around them. We're in a little open area. And with such a thing like this. Seriously. Just from that fight alone, Luz nearly almost wasted all her MP. The best part being a little bit more OP than usual than you would naturally be when you're here. Even cloth. That's always guaranteed to be something, you idiot. It's Chimera. Because they actually are in fact chimeras. Probably my favourite of all mythical creatures too. Snowy leveled up after that fight, so that's good. 4 more skill points that I have no idea what to invest in. Probably this. Ooh, he's close to Pitfall, which is a unique idea. He's just 2 more away. I actually have to do this math really quick. 5, 6, 7 gives none. 8, 9, 11, 12, 14, 15. Ooh, he gets up to 18, he'll have enough points. That's awesome. But I don't think I'll give him that natural agility yet. Now we come all the way over here. We can go up there, which clearly there's nothing. But there is this red chest right here. Blue jeans. As we continue to go forward, which going forward is apparently this way. Well, I'm not going to fight those things. Hey, a sign. Hey, Cuddy Dig Cliff. Private beach. Keep out. Ordered by Mayor advice of Port Laughing. I know I'm not the one laughing, but with this being an area that monsters don't spawn, let me take this time to take a look at that pair of jeans. Because I think... No. No, we're doing it. Equal defense to steel kneecaps. Great comparing that defense game. Yuri could use it. She actually could. That would reduce her mending a slight, but increases her defense. Too bad Luz can't equip. The might and mending of each other will reduce it a slight bit because of the skirts. I think I will do that. Jeans on her. That looks a bit on the weird side of that. And it's not you, it's you. That's nice. not much in terms of boosts, but there was these. Great boost in deafness. Yeah, I think I'll have these on me and then give them a... Was there anything else we ended up getting? And like we had 2 Oaken clubs, because I probably did not mention that in the overwhelming grind process, I did in fact get a second one of these. What happened to it? With the power of alchemy, I upgraded it. Too bad it can only be equipped to gladiators, and it's the hammers, so Snowy can't naturally equip it because I maxed him out with the axes. How my brain just black out on that? I have no idea. Yeah, I think that's about good enough. I'll just finish up the rest of it and go forward just after a little bit of a change of the equipment. Didn't change up too much because I didn't want there too much to cut out. Oh, they are here. That's beautiful, eh, love? I fancy you'll be able to clear your hair a bit by here, and then we can have a tidy little chat. You must be awfully tired. What with all the summoning we've had you been doing lately? You poor thing. Well, I wanted you to know that if you give your Uncle Bryce the word, I'll see that the summonings stop tomorrow. I'll just tell everyone in the village that you've lost the power to call Leviathan. Simple, see? Mr. Mayor? Aye? And then you can pop down here with me once in a while, and we can just have a little summon in secret. And there's all kinds of coral and pearls and such at the bottom of the ocean, see? And all that treasure in those sunken ships, too. You could be asking Leviathan if you like so things of that up for you now, wouldn't you? Instead of the boring old fish, eh? Pearls? Treasure? Mr. Mayor! I can't believe I'm hearing this. Outrageous it is! No. Don't get all het up. I only meant every once in a while, whenever you're feeling up to it, like. Just think how much happier we'd all be, all rich and contented, like. Rich? Contented? That's right, Buck. And all you have to do is accept your father isn't coming home and let me adopt you, see? Simple. I'll be your new father. There's tidy, eh? No, you're not my dad. And you never will be. My dad's... Please? I was correct in thinking I was in. What goodness. Oh, mighty Leviathan, thank you. You heard our calling, and you've come to bless us with your help again. Come, John, stop praying. Ask Leviathan to go and bring us some treasure by here. Ah! Jonah! You followed her, whoa! Oh, crap! Yikes! That was a bite from the blue. Something seriously fishy is going on here. A lot of fish jokes if you couldn't tell, because of it being a fishing village. And because of that, not only that, like, quick pop into the town, coming back through, making sure Luz was good on the MP, realizing that he had to switch on to don't use MP if we end up getting into fights. Show no mercy. I always have my mage at the show no mercy. Hey! Leviathan draws near. The very sea god is the boss. Intriguing. If we were to use spells as a martial artist, we can't because we don't know spells. Martial artists never learn spells. Why not Hot Flick? Flick, lick. It's a fish, it would fear the fire. No, it would fear the flame. This seems to be working. Oh, yeah. Now, ones I didn't end up showing off is that there's Falcon Slash, Miracle Slash, and Giga Slash. Yes, and you see that right. It costs 15 MP to use, but unfortunately, because of the martial artist, it has, even at its maximum currently, we can't use it. Oh boy. I chose a bad time to grab that. But let's show off what Falcon Slash is capable of. Parallel Axe. Arak the Planet. A double swing. Like a twin slash. Yuri heals lose. Of course you would, I have to switch to. Yeah, that's the one you really want to watch out for. I think I'll just regular attack for a moment. And it hasn't been obvious right now. Despite the last two bosses being able to attack twice in a single turn, Leviathan only does it once. With an AoE attack like that, I can probably that will probably already explain why. I'll do this to reduce it. Here we go! I guess I yelled, here we go. Yes, I think it'll be better if we will heal for a moment. Too bad I can't heal. Frozen with fear. You know what? I'll use Miracle Slash. No, Snow! A recovery attack. Good call right there. He has a couple of AoE attacks. I think he only has those two. I don't know off the top of my head. Like many of the water monsters being a part of the aquatic family, this is among those monsters. So Dragon and Melslash won't be able to deal overwhelming damage. I guess I'll just regular attack for now then. I'm going to think Dragon and Metal Slash are free of use, so I can still use them even with zero. Here we go, and how does it go? Please don't snowy. Rage subsides. Oh yes! Because he had an attention span directed at Luz when Overwatch he did. Wow! We destroyed it with ease! I will say I usually don't have this kind of power, and I never usually had the weapons up to the maximum and had them mix them up when I got here. Yuri levels up to level 16, so apparently I don't. Because I actually would have. I usually level up before the others. Yeah, because I don't know what to add the bonus onto. Drop the chest. Emerald Moss. Remember earlier in the video when I said that there's one item that we don't have can be used to make green tights. For these are what it's required for. I'd say that's actually fitting. But wait, what about Jonah? Oh no. I think we stepped in when we did. Very well indeed. Hello, Jonah. Unscathed? How is that possible? I'm fine. You're not hurt, are you? Round 2? Ah! No, but please, don't hurt him.
But he's one of Mayor Price's stooges, isn't he?
Your voice! I don't think whoever he is. That Dad? Oh! I don't think he would have sounded like that. Dad! Dylan, what in the name of? How can everyone here see him? I'm the Celestian around here. What the hell? What is it? What the flap's going on? I'm sorry for what I've put you travelers through. And Jonah, I can't tell you how sorry I am for all the pain I caused you. Well, I've caused you. That night of the storm, I was thrown tidily from the boat, Then all of a sudden, this golden fruit drops down next to me. Fading, I was, good and fast. So I just grabbed hold of it, see, and all I could think of was you, Joe, back there on the ship. I was thinking how you would get on without me, you being still such a young dad and out there that day, right in the middle of the ocean, I died. Only next thing I know, I'm not dead at all. I'm swimming around looking like a big old whale. Shocked I was. I don't have to tell you. I don't. Understand? I'm guessing everyone here wouldn't. But we do. It's the golden fruit's power. I was bringing all those fish by the village there, so you wouldn't have to go without love. I never thought they would bring all the rest of those gannets is running like it did. I've kept out of it till now, but enough is enough. Come on, love. Let's leave this greedy village and its rot over there behind. You won't have to worry about nothing once we're away from here. I'll take care of you from now on. Oh, Dad! I can't. I just can't do that. I want to stay by here and help with the fishing, see? I have to learn to stand on my own 2 feet. I've watched you working away all these years, and now it's my turn. I'll be the tidiest fisherman Port Laffan's ever known. Just you wait and see. I'll make you proud, Dad. I can't go on relying on you forever. It's time I started making my own way in the world. You understand, don't you? Jonah. Jonah! Hey, Bryson. Bryson, what are you doing out by here? Are you alright? I'm sorry about my dad. I was sick beyond worrying about you, I was. I had to come after you. That's your dad, isn't it? You can rely on me, sir. I'm no flag. I'll look after you when I grow up. Does that mean that a couple has just been confirmed in the whole game? Bryson, thank you so much for becoming Leviathan so you could carry on looking after me, Dad. But I'm alright now, see? Jonah. I was caught up worrying about looking after my little girl that I never realized she'd grown up into a fine young woman. If only I'd stopped to notice, I'd never have caused you all so much trouble. I know you can do it, love. So I'm talking you at your word. I'll be watching over you every step of the way, mine. Good luck making your own way in the world. And goodbye. And that's the thing, like, even Bryson could even see him. Just remember. I'll always be by your side, love. Always. Hey, fig number 2! Mercury's, it's a fig! Number 2. Of how many? Thank you ever so much. Really. You helped everyone in the village out. Jonah, do you want to head back now? Reese returns to Port Laffin with Jonah and company beside him, and freshly found fig in hands. Yet, number 2. Of how many? Since we can go back to the observatory at will, why don't we pop up and ask Major how many there are before advancing the story in a little moment. Then the following morning. Hey! Why was I sleeping in the room with that douche? Oh, you're awake, are you? I want to thank you again for everything you've done. You're made of tough stuff, that's for sure. When I grow up, I want to be just like you. So you want to be just like a Celestian? I'd say that's a bad idea. I'll keep Jonah safe. She'll never have to be lonely with me around. I mean, everyone says how tough she is, but, well, she's still a girl, like. Oh yeah, I almost forgot. As of today, the ferry's back up and running again. That's marvelous, eh? Maybe we can go about on it. And just like that, you would think like, oh, because of that, we can access the chest. Nope. The same one with Stornway. That one in the basement? Still can't get to it. And what does that ferry mean? This one. Why don't we pop it back to the observatory like I said? Welcome back to the observatory, guys. Oh, a fig! Magnificent! Where in the world did you find it? Pray, tell me and spare no details. What's happened in the protectorate? Extraordinary! So figs have the power to make the dreams of those who eat them come true. And this probably has caused considerably commotion down in the protectorate, you say? This is not good. If mortals become aware of the power the figs possess, ill-intentioned souls will surely be stirred to action. You must waste no time recovering the remaining fruits, Reese. I pray that you return all 7 of them to us before any lasting damage is done. Well, we know how many there are now. 5. Well, a total of 7, but because we have 2, 5 is the number we have to search for. Let's go. And like every town we come across, Port Laffin was added the second we entered it. So instead of wasting a lot of the time there, let's go back this way. And go on this little boat. Instead of grumbling now, we have to get the boats out again. We'll be heading a tidy way offshore. Just because there's no fish around right here doesn't mean there's no fish anywhere. That is true. If you open across the mainland, you best have a word with my buddy over there. Him? Or nah, it's this guy. Let's head and sail for the mainland over to the east. You coming aboard? Yes. What happens to our team? They disintegrate. Aha, right on time. Alright, then, anchors away. Ooh. And he did say east. So we are in fact going east. We were at the South Pole of town. Well, if you ever told me I'd be using some mortal ship to get about the place, I would have called you a bare-faced liar. Ugh. So it's off to new shores, eh? Keep up the good work. Great. And you'll have those figs gathered in no time. And with a bit of luck, I'll find out where old Fat Guts has got too soon as well. Right, here we are at Slurry Key. This is as far as I can take you, I'm afraid. If you're looking to sailing all over, you'll have to get a boat of your own. Word of the Talmud is there's a beauty of a vessel down in Bloomingdale, just sitting there with no one using her. Our team is back here, because they did not 100% fully disintegrate. Let's break all these. We get at least something in return. Got something, and some things. Guess it's just a little thing. And, just like this, now, there's 2 pages of our little Zoom list. Slurry Key, right here. Because I will trust you that it is pronounced key. Hey, 2 chests. Can we get behind you? Yes. That's a locked one. Oh no. But in return we get a seed of strength. And that reminds me, I didn't actually show off what that other seed was. If that was a brand new one, that would be directly near the bottom. I was correct, that was magic. I know my seeds, alright? Let's take a look in here. The nun. You. Since we've already rested, there's really no point in resting again. We haven't even fought any new monsters. And on that, nope. Oh wow. I think I even had 10% when I last checked it when I was off screen and you didn't even give me it. We have these new monsters, the Noctopus, Salamandra, Chimera, the Man-O-War, and the Mortoad. And I doubt we're missing anything. And Leviathan, as well as him. Stuff is getting intriguing. And yes, as you can see there, 20 hours. Yeah. That grinding took at least like 5+ hours. Since this is the only way we can go, and this doesn't really have some sort of natural map. At the same time, we explored the entire northwestern continent from Angel Falls to Coffinwell, and then the center island of All Trades Abbey to Port Laffin. Well, and Port Laffin. It is just those 2. Unless you also count all of the dungeons. But they're only just being the 2. Now we're on this little one over here. And with everything else being inaccessible, I'm guessing we will be having to go to this Bloomingdale place. If we're coming out, I'd recommend coming up here. Not only do we fight new monsters like this, and in case you did see that little yellow thing, yes. A lookalike of the Leafy Larrikins. The werewolf! I like the punch. Whoa! 200 damage. With a slight boost. And with almost 200 attack just from the thing. Hello. Let me guess, you're probably just as bad as your brethrens. But I have nothing that's super overkill against them. Giga Slash could be useful. Giga Gash. What's that supposed to be? Oh wow! After the lever. Was it? AoE attack. Oh no, I think that's a group attack. So it's just like the whip's attacks. If we're going all the way up here, we see so many damn sparkles and another butterfly. Freshwater! Finally, we can get that quest done. And yes, so much of this freshwater. I will say this is one of few places where you can actually get freshwater. So we can go all the way back to Angel Falls with that, but I think I want to hold off for now. Butterfly. Every time I want to grind on butterflies or something, I always come for these dread admirals. Like the butterfly wings are the rare drop on the other side of the force. Here, these have as the common drop. I ain't kidding. And we can handle these with ease. I was gonna be legitimately worried. And with such a power boost with our weapons maximized, oh, I think we have an even bigger chance on wiping out all the monsters. And then if we follow that road, it would probably send us to another town. We run into this butterfly. Continuing on our little journey, we see more of those wolves, more butterflies. What if we go down this little place? Sparklies of Softwoods. If you didn't happen to make it in Alchemy, you can get some for free with the Sparklies be here. And apparently a new version of the Cruel Cumbers that we fought at the very beginning of the game was quite literally the very beginning of the game of Angel Falls. What could these monsters possibly be? Well, named. Zoominis and Spinchillas. I think I'll take out that Spinchilla first. We can have those who have group-based attacks take out the Zoominis. Or even spells. I am the only one who knows how to use spells. And I actually like to use spells. So I wonder if that means I'm going to change my vocation to something that can use spells. Yeah. Let's just wipe it out. Whoa. Crits. Jeez. Hello. Seriously? And I think that may be in the spawn up here, unless I'm misremembering. Yeah, I was misremembering. You know what? Yeah, come at me. And here we go. Now, if we come all the way down here, I think there's something impressive right down here, and it's not those... Oh, yeah, the Bud Brothers, right? I wasn't paying attention to their names. Uh-oh. We're already across here. We have this little area. Bloomingdale. So this looks like to be that Bloomingdale area. No. little sparkly areas here, and more monsters. That we shall fight in just a moment. Never mind right now. Big Bad Boo. And green. Because I'm guessing that is me. Chest on the first attempt? Okay. Oh, hey, hi! I wasn't expecting that. Oh god, him. Trigator. I love the names. As I've said so many times right now, I do love puns. Wow. We can handle these without even doing much. Hey, I'm level 18 now. Hey, awesome. 34 skill points that I have no idea what to do with. Wait. Damn, I was hoping something was going to level up and then go. Oh, I can go for that now. Hey, more Sanguini lookalikes. Because yes, they are in fact Sanguinis, because they are pink Sanguinis. No poo, Sherlock. Oh, I should have aimed at the boom. Whoa. I should have fought these monsters more often. We're taking them down with these. Just by just being a bit being quite hard for them down. They can spawn. And by that they can call for back. Hello. With 2 more people being able to attack, we are definitely going to destroy it. With this attack. And yes, as I was doing the rechange with equipment, I stuck that sludge onto Yuri. Lose up to level 19. Hey! Fuddle. Nah. Nothing I can really think of. $500,000? Whoa! Jeez! Oh no, there's more monsters here. Just hidden. Damn. 2. Which one do I go for? Obviously this one, because I went for this one. Scarewolves. Ah. Ooh. Wait, so that's like leech life from Pokemon. If you manage to read that dialogue in time, oh yes. Or even if you took the time to pause the video. If it didn't fall by my hand, it would have gained tension. Hello. More slime, but I don't think I'll fight them just yet. Can that final one spawn in? That kind of shield monster look like? I'll just do a little respawn until I get it. Well, that sucks. I'm getting through here before we get into that mother. I managed to find one which has some and another scalable. Oh crap, of course I aim at the one that's... Oh wow, I was not expecting that Crackle would end them all at once. And this was in fact the next fight I found. Yuri's fallen a little behind because of the process that we did with the thing of having her the minstrel in the last episode. Hey, Snowy gets up. We can do what I was thinking of now. When 2 are left over because he now has possesses Pitfall. What is that capable of? I'll show you in the upcoming town. Because as it looks like, they're not that far away. I meant to go up. Yuri catches up, is trying to catch up at level 17. That's quite impressive. And I also realized I never mentioned why I changed Yuri to the priest and Snowy to the thief. Because also like Yuri, she knows the things like, I was about to say photosynthesis, no. More like moods of like aromatherapy. So with that, like helping out with healing and everything. I'm guessing this is some sort of hobo land. And for Snowy, well, the story for Snowy being the thief is that when we first had Snowy, which by now it's about like 10 years ago, because he is about like 12, when we first had Snowy, he was so sneaky that half the time we never knew that he was stealing our own socks. And just for that reason alone, that fits him perfectly to be the thief. I could probably change him over to the warrior, because like warriors, Knights that are loyal to the kingdom and everything. He'd be loyal to us. He'd be a sneaky son of a bitch to the enemies. And I may or may not have done that with my other file, as we can take a look around here, which I think I'll continue doing the rest in the next episode. All different kinds of weapons. Not as strong as the steel stuff. Oh, hey. Awesome. Just awesome. Wait, no. I was about to go. No daggers? Light shield. You can also get these freely from those gum shield monsters. And there's all of this stuff. Thief's Turban, only equivalent to thieves. More things like that, only equivalent to warriors and gladiators. I usually never have a warrior or gladiator in my team. And we obliterate absolutely everything. Lots of stuff that's also based around thieves. Okay. Nah. You can save here for the physical version. I think I'll just wrap it out here. So that for next time, we can explore around this Dower Bridge. Yep, because that's what we shall do. So I want to thank you all so much for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next video. And that's the thing, like, even Bryson could even see him.